The farther you guys bought in, meaning the more room you have, the more I want my stop opened up. In the beginning, we've got that tighter stop right now. In your guys'
Yeah.
case, that 25 to 40. But the farther it goes away from what I bought it, the more rope I give it. I want it to just be, open it up, because then I can let it have all these peaks and valleys and work, right? As long as we're still trending to that downside, which clearly we are, leave it the hell alone. And now I want you guys to think about this too, right? And we've talked about this before, and I'll pull this up on the big screen, right? If you look at VWAP, everybody in here knows if you're shorting and you've got that last 10% or the last contract or whatever you're in, you already know to get out at VWAP. But here's the beauty of the trend line. So I want you guys to look at this. I'm going to flip this to a 2-minute. So think about it. If we got in on the 2-minute, which is around here, okay? So this is where we bought, all right? And we're down here, right? Trending obviously to the downside, even if it came back up and that last final one broke and held through here. This is all still profit, right?
Yes, sir.
All of this. So why am I worried at all about any of this, right? This last one, this is how much room I've got. See it?
Well, and I created the habit based on your words where you always say, I'd much rather let it breathe,
Yes,
even if it comes back to break even.
that's right.
So I started doing that a year and a half, 2 years ago. I
Yep,
started leaving my runner stop loss way down there just to protect me. If I've already made money on the trade,
that's
my
right.
runners can literally go back to break even and I still make money.
That's right.
They're just chilling in the background, and I'm over here kind of just watching the levels. And
Yes.
okay, it's not a reversal; it's just a small breathe back. It's still in the lower channel. I'm still below the EMAs, and those EMAs is so helpful for the visual person. And
Yeah,
so for me, I'm real visual. I just love being able to see that.
yeah, for sure.